Hello friend, today we will discuss about CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper or other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It controls the layout of multiple web pages at once. Finally, we can say that HTML was designed for describe contents and CSS was designed for decorate the contents. And next, CSS syntax. Here S3 is a selector, means S3 means heading 3, and style font family is a property and Arial is their value, and property value is called declaration. Next, types of CSS. CSS are three types: inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS. This is CSS. An inline CSS may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. This is a single element CSS. Here this is declared in body part. H1 heading 1 style equal to color red, text alignment center, means heading color is red and their text alignment is center, means this is a heading message will be displayed in red color and position is center. And next, paragraph style. P style means paragraph style color green, means this is a paragraph message will be displayed in green color on page. Inline CSS is defined line by line in every elements. This is a body part. Next, internal CSS. An internal CSS is used to define a single style in a single HTML page, single whole HTML page. For internal style sheet, we define style tag. Here we use style tag in internal CSS. This is declared in head section. Style tag is declared in head section. Here body curly bracket background color equal to blue, S2 curly bracket open, then color red, means we already defined that S2 color will be red, means heading color will be red in whole program, and background color in blue. Next, external CSS. External CSS is used to change the look of entire website by changing just one file. Means in this CSS we can save a single CSS file and then use in different HTML pages, different web pages. Here we save one CSS file, name is my CSS file.css, and we type body background color red, heading color blue, and here this is a hyperlink statement, link rel style sheet type text CSS href my CSS file.css. My CSS file.css is a my CSS file. This file is implemented in this HTML page, means heading H1 heading color is blue and background color is red is implemented in this HTML page. This is H1 is used here, means this is a heading color and paragraph will be changed, paragraph color and heading color and background color will be changed according my css file.css. Thank you friends.